Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well at your place. So, today is Unit 2 and it's for 11th class, and our particular topic is physical fitness and wellness. First, we will talk about the physical fitness, then we'll talk about the wellness, and then if time permits we'll go ahead and we'll discuss the components of the physical fitness. So first is the physical fitness. देखिए ये जो यूनिट 2 है ये फिजिकल फिटनेस और वेलनेस से रिलेटेड है. अब देखिए फिजिकल फिटनेस है क्या. अगर हम बात करते हैं नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में, जो हम डे टू डे बात करते हैं कि भाई फिजिकल फिटनेस, यार सो एंड सो इज फिजिकली फिट, so and so person is have a good physique. So physical fitness, it's related to our physical health, it's our related to our body. That means our body is free from any kind of disease, free from any kind of disorders. That is the meaning of the physical fitness. Or in other words, a person is able to perform his daily work without fatigue, बिना थके के वो काम कर सके, and can also participate in playful activities, and yes, still reserve some energy to meet any emergency. So that is the meaning of the physical fitness, कि हम ठीक ठाक हैं, हमें कोई किसी तरह की डिजीज नहीं है, and we are healthy. That is the meaning of the physical fitness. Let's talk what's written in our book. There are many definitions written in our books, but most of them all are equal, and the sense is like one is so here you can see physical fitness. It is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue, moreover to participate in playful activity, and still reserve capacity to meet any emergency. That is the definition which is written in our book. Let's discuss about this definition. So it is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue. Fatigue का मतलब होता है थकना. मीन्स ये एक व्यक्ति की एबिलिटी है कि वो अपना रोज का काम बिना थके कर सके. दैट इज वन कंडीशन. सेकंड कंडीशन, मोर ओवर टू पार्टिसिपेट इन प्लेफुल एक्टिविटी. ही और सी कैन ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट इन प्लेफुल एक्टिविटी और सम रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी और सम स्पोर्ट्स, एंड स्टिल रिजर्व कैपेसिटी टू मीट एन इमरजेंसी. अभी भी उसमें एनर्जी बाकी है. सो if he face or if she face any kind of emergency, they can meet the requirement of that emergency. So that is the meaning of the physical fitness. देखिए थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं फिजिकल फिटनेस का. बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है रोल है लाइफ में. देखिए इफ़ वी आर फिजिकली फिट we can then only possibly like mentally fit. So both are interrelated. It's not possible that we are not physically fit and we can mentally fit. No, not possible. If we are physically fit, then only we can able to work properly, whether it is related to our academic study. If we are physically fit, then only we can perform better in our academics. We can do any work nicely, effectively, efficiently. We can eat well, then only we can sleep well. So if we have any kind of problem in our fitness, then all the work or all the activities are affected. So that is the meaning of the physical fitness. So physical fitness is the first thing. It's our basic duty to maintain our physical fitness by various kind of activities like doing exercises, play some kind of game, or swimming or running, meditation, pranayam, anything. It's in our hand what we are going to choose, but it's our duty to maintain our physical fitness, because everything is only possible if we are physically fit. If very simple, देखिए अगर हम physical fit नहीं तो even we can't sleep well, even we can't eat well, and अपना जो day to day work है वो भी हम ठीक से नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I hope you understand what is the definition, what is the meaning of the physical fitness. Next we are taking the wellness. Okay, let's go through what is written in our books. So wellness, just a minute. Wellness. So wellness is health related practice to optimize individual ability with balance of physical, psychological, intellectual, social, emotional and spiritual aspects of life. देखिए इसको मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. Wellness is health related practice. This is also a health related practice to optimize what? To optimize individual's ability with balance. With balance. Please attention here. Focus here. With balance of physical, psychological, intellectual, social, emotional and spiritual aspects of life. That means wellness is a wide term and physical fitness is the part of the wellness. कई बार हमें पूछा जाता है, हमारे फ्रेंड्स हमसे they ask यार how are you, then we say I am well. Okay, that means if I am well, that means I am physically okay, I am mentally okay, I am spiritually balanced, I am socially well-being, I am intellectually well. So here wellness is basically the balance of all these what we are talking: physical, psychological, intellectual, social, emotional and spiritual aspects of life. है ना कि भाई मैं for example like emotions, we are talking about the emotions. Okay, I in my previous video I also discussed with you कि emotions are the part of life. We are human being, we are not robotic. So but we have to control our emotions. We should express our emotions in a controlled way. If our emotions are not under control, then we may be in the problem. Okay, whether like anger, if it is not under control, then we can go for some wrong actions that can harm us all. Same way, if we talk about the social things, we are living in the society. If we are not behaving well with the society, then we will have lot of troubles in our daily life, lot of problems. Then again it will impact on our mental status, and the mental thing will also affect on our physical things. So all these things, so basically wellness is the balance of all these aspects. It's a wide term, and physical fitness is the part of the wellness. Please understood, this is the key point. Do not confuse between the physical fitness and wellness. Physical fitness is completely, totally related to our physical health, कि हम फिट हैं या नहीं, हमारी बॉडी ठीक से काम कर रही है या नहीं, और ऑर्गन्स और बॉडी सिस्टम्स आर वर्किंग वेल और हैविंग सम काइंड ऑफ डिसऑर्डर्स that comes in the physical fitness, whereas wellness is including all these things. That means we supposed to be physically fit, we supposed to be social well, spiritual okay, psychological well. All these parameters are included, have been included in the wellness. That is the difference between the physical fitness and wellness. I hope you understand. कितना हो गया वीडियो? It's okay.